cute little, so these are pretty cute, very cute little nozzles, and these are really cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Asati and today I'm doing this kind of a video for the very first time because iske pehle I was just sharing recipe video, but I think I should like add little more things for you guys. So today I'm doing a sort of kitchen haul because मैंने अभी जब we were shifting our home, so we ordered too many things from the Flipkart. So you can grab all the products, but they are already cheap. I checked the prices and they are pretty cool. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Please consider liking, and if you like the video, share it with others as well. Without further ado, let's get started. So for the very first is this kind of a jug or something, and it's of like there is a 2 liter. You can its capacity, and you can use it to store lentils and other things as well, but the plastic is very good because I'm very bad with numbers, so I can't remember prices of all the things, and there is a lot more coming in the video, so I can't remember all the things. So I'll add all the links. So this I like this because iska plastic बहुत ही प्यारा है, like it's lightweight, but yeah, plastic is very good. So yeah, you can buy this. The next up is this mug. I like this mugs a lot. It's just that I don't like these design, but other than that the color is bomb, and these detailing also I like more, and especially with the prices, they are so cheap. Like I didn't even think कि इतना cheap हो सकते थे, but and the qualities is just awesome. So please, if you want to buy this, just check the description. The other thing I have is this toaster. Let me just take it out. This is from the company Flipkart itself. The Flipkart have its company Smart Buy, and yeah, here it is. It is very nice. Like when I ordered it, it's kind of affordable, and yeah, quality is good, and lightweight as well. It's very handy. You can take it whenever you're shifting or something, and it's look cool as well because black color. So yeah, I'll add all the prices. Next thing is this cute little and large knives. This is from Pigeon, and I don't know if it's reflecting or something, but yeah, these knives I haven't used this set, but I already used the second set, and these knives are pretty cool, and I think these are cute as well and very sharp. All the things I'm showing is just all the things are under 500, and there are very less and big equipments like that toaster and cookware I'm gonna be showing. Those are only just about 100 and 1000 or 1100. Other than that, all these are under 500, so it's pretty good deal. Add to these little cute spoons. These are like, I have ordered this from Flipkart only, and it was a set of 4 or 5, but मैं अभी 3 ही ढूंढ पाई तो मैंने दिखा दिया. These are very cute, like small, handy, and the steel is very good, like not too cheap kind of, but it's affordable, and yeah, these are pretty cool. I like these. I actually use it on a daily basis. Let's see this next thing. This is a lunch box. I haven't used it yet, but I like this lunch box a lot. Yeah, it's just not like it's just have 1 or 2, it's have 3 tiffins, which is 2 bowl, and 1 you can put paratha and all, and there's 2 cute little spoon and yeah, and this is also under 500 if I'm not wrong, so you can take it if you are a office person or something. The next up is this. It have a little story. This is a turning table. Actually, I haven't ordered it like single solo, but I have ordered a whole baking kit of around 1600, but here's the thing, I will not suggest you to buy that because most of the product come in that kit was not so useful for me, especially the nozzles and all, because nozzles की quality was थोड़ी cheap, तो उससे अच्छे से piping नहीं होती थी. But I will show you all the products, and I'll add a link of the products जो मैंने solo बाद में buy किए हैं, and they were bomb. Like nozzles की link I will add अलग-अलग. I'll not add this combo pack because it's not worth it, to be very honest. That's why I will add a solo link of this turning table, nozzles, and everything I'm gonna be showing. Next up is this bottle. Hold on guys, this is not what you think. It's a oil dispenser, and it is very cute. Like I am obsessed. Small, cute, and yeah, it's a glass, so please handle it like very nicely. It's fragile, but these are cute, and when you'll hear the prices, you'll be like, oh my god, it's I got these 2 bottles in just I guess 250 rupees or 300, like 2 bottles. I'm like, oh, this is seal the deals. This is my personal favorite. The next up thing is this cute little muffin molds, or you can say cupcake molds. I got these 6 thing in that kit, 6 packs, but I'm showing just 2. Pata nahi baki kahan hai. But yeah, so these are cute, and yeah, these were pretty good. I think yeah, this were pretty good, and I'll add the single link of it, but I'll not add that kit, but I'll add the single link. Next up is these things, baking essential. This is like a knife to spread your icing. This is brush to, you know, add water in your sponge, or you can use it in a daily life as well for oil and all. And these are the measuring spoons and measuring cups as well. Like I'm showing just spoon, and I'll add the link of spoon and cups as well. Next up is these nozzles. I have bought some of the offline and online. These were from the kits which I was not happy, but then I bought online these other as well, and they were good. And this is my favorite nozzle, if you can see. And I got this piping bag free. These are like usable, reusable. You can use it again and again. This is my investment when I started blogging. To be very honest, this is a gift, but yeah, when I started blogging, I just have 2 things, this bowl and the tripod I'm using now till date. So the investment in my blogging when I started is just 200, that tripod of 200, that is it. So if you're thinking to start a blogging, please don't think ki mere paas abhi ye nahi hai, mere paas wo nahi hai. Just start it. Once you'll get that motivation, start karoge na, then you'll get everything. Till date, I haven't spent much in my blogging. I'm just using the things I have around me. So this is the mixing bowl, and if you can't buy this as well, you can use any bowl, plastic bowl. I'll show you that those plastic bowls also जो मैंने खुद खरीदे हैं. This is gifted by my brother. So this is medium size bowl which I use for blogging and shooting the videos. It's very nice. Next is again this baking essential. If you are baking, you need to have this. Like if you're making ganache and all, for the initials it's okay because गनाश को whip करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, but बाद में भी गनाश को whip करने की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. पर if you are working with like whipping cream, it is essential. And to whip a cream, you actually need 320 around watt, and mine is of 300, but yeah, it works. It actually works, and small and handy. I just got this of like 700 or 750 something, so it's affordable as well, क्योंकि बाकी सारे बहुत महंगे थे. मैंने बहुत सर्च किया है. So I'll add the link of this as well. Next up is this cute little basket, and yeah, it has a big storage. You can like put anything, or your baking kit का जो भी सामान है, nozzles and all, you can keep in this. I like this basket a lot. And the next is these seal the deal, actually I'll say, because the plastic is so fucking good. Please pardon me for my language, but yeah, the plastic is so good. And if I'll tell you the price, you'll be like, no, you're kidding. But the price when I bought this was just 150 rupees, and it's a pack of 6 plus 2, like 8 pieces. And what else you want in 150 rupees? So I haven't opened it yet, but the plastic I can feel is very good. So yeah. Next up is this fridge mat. This mat is actually affordable, and I like the print and details, but I checked it online, it's out of stock, but I saw a much more cuter design in this, and I have saved the link of this, and I'll add the link of that in the description. One of my favorite thing of whatsoever I ordered last year is these bottles. I mean, these bottles are love. Like the transparency, color, design, size, everything is just perfect. In its price itself, it's hardly of 200 or 220, and the pack of 6, like pack of 6, and see just the transparency. I love these bottles. Next up is these cake tin. It's a pair of 3, but I will add the link of it, not of that kit, but I'll add the link alag se. These are pretty good, but I can't use it much because the size is huge. Like itna bada cake kiske liye banau main? So yeah, the size is huge, and I usually bake in the stove, so itna bada I can't like make the cake as well. These are like non-stick, and it have these side thing. Let me show you. It have this side thing which you can open and take out these bottoms. So these are very good for the cheesecake because you can't pull up the cheesecake. So you can take out this tray tray outside and you can use it. It's also non-stick, so it's helpful. The next up is cookware. Let me show you the cartoon of it as well. So this is the huge pack of it, जिसमें I got pan, tawa, and this is a cooking pan and 4 spoons with it and a lid. Of course it's of a pigeon, so it is great. I have been using it in my all videos. So this is the kadhai, and there are 2 other things, but I have already shown you the quality and its company. It was a little, it's not a little costly because you're getting too much. It was just of 1000 or 1200, but it's a sealer deal. You can buy it, like I assure you. Next up is these small bottles, containers. You can like store tea leaves and sugar and dry fruits. So these are cute little bottles. ये तो सभी के घर में देखी होगी किसी ना किसी ने. I'll add the link of these as well. These are handy, cute, and seal a deal. Okay, this is a next thing, which is pretty hard to like open up because there is a lot of box inside it. So I'll show you like this only. There is I guess it's a set of 18 in just 200 rupees or 250 rupees, and the plastic is good. Lots of container. Your mom will be damn happy if you'll give this. So yeah, it's a sealer deal, and I'll add the link, and these are pretty good. Next up is these plastic. I told you I bought bowls for when I was starting my blogging. So these were those bowls. There was 4. एक मुझे मिल नहीं रहा, पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. सबसे छोटा साइज़ का था वो वाइट कलर का. माइक्रोवेव कर सकते हैं आप इसमें. So yeah, I ordered this. So the total investment was, this is of I guess 300 and the tripod. So yeah, 500 में, and I started my blogging. If you got little motivated, please consider subscribing. I guess this is pretty much it, and I showed you a lot of things, and I'll add link of everything. But please do subscribe and like my video because इतना कर दो यार. Subscribing do not cost you anything, so please do consider subscribing. And if you want these kind of videos more, please let me know. I'll add some variations, do little of a blogging tour and something. If you just don't want to see the recipe, but please just comment down what you want to see more, and I'll do that. I hope you liked the video, and this is Sakshi Sati signing off. Bye bye.